Hay Iya, bago ang lahat, nais ko muna magpasalamat sa Panginoong Diyos dahil ibinigay Kanya sa amin isang batang mapagmahal, mabait, at matapang. Kaya sinasabi kong matapang kasi nung bata ka pa, na kaya mong mag-travel from Kuwait to Manila nang mag-isa ka lang. Na wala ka pa, siguro mga 7 years old ka lang. Tapos nung sunod, from Manila naman to Kuwait, 9 years old ka noon. Kaya proud na proud ako sa iyo. Happy birthday! Hiling ko na sana'y gabayan ka at protektahan ng Panginoon. Mag-focus ka muna sa studies mo, sa matubad ang mga pangarap mo. Na alam kong yan naman ang ginagawa mo. Enjoy mo lang ang special day mong ito, kasama ng pamilya mo, mga kaibigan mo. Mag-enjoy ka lang. Hindi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita, kayo ni Tres, at mag-iingat ka lagi. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Thank you na birthday, Iya. Happy birthday. Your dreams come true. Love you, Iya. Happy birthday again.
Happy 80th birthday na. Parang kailan lang ang gift mo pa, ang dami kita. Yun, maraming na. Sana matupad ang inyong pangarap, inyong life stewardship. Sana, lagi ka malusog at maligaya sa buhay. Happy birthday! Mag-iingat ka. God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, happy 18th birthday. Wish you all the best. Keep chasing your dream. Always listen to your mom and dad because they know what's the best for you. Okay, God bless. Keep safe always. Happy birthday. Isa pang wish namin, no boyfriend muna. Sabi namin ng daddy mo. Okay.
Hi, Iya. This is Lola Ida from Virginia. We are wishing you a happy birthday. And this is Libby. Welcome to the 18 Club. Hope all your wishes come true. Happy birthday, Iya! Love you!
Hi, Iya. Happy birthday, anak ko. I wish you all the best and all this life could offer, and I hope that you will be successful in life, and good luck with all your endeavors, and please always remember that Ninang loves you so much. I love you. Enjoy your birthday and the celebration today. Miss you too. Bye.
Hi, Ate Iya. It's your birthday now. Happy birthday. You're grown up so fast. And you're a fine lady. So take care always yourself. I love you.
Hi, happy birthday. You're officially an adult. Don't rush growing up so fast. So enjoy every moment. Always stay true to yourself. Keep your heart pure and never stop believing in what you can do.
Happy birthday, Ate Iya. So, just wanna greet you on your special day. Maaring wala kami dyan sa tabi mo at para makigulo. But we just want you to know that we are happy and proud na at least we're part of your life. Minsan man nandito ka, nasa Pilipinas, karag-karag kita kung saan man tayo pumagpasya, diba? At alam mo naman na hindi ko makalimutan yung birthday mo dahil lalo na't ka-birthday mo pa ang aking bunso. But I just wish you all the happiness and wisdom and remain to have that good and humble heart. Dahil yan is naman mo sa iyong mom and dad na talaga namang bukal at malambot ang mga puso. Okay? So just be simple, okay? Dahil yun yung nagiging nagpapaspecial sa iyo, yung pagiging simple mo, okay? Just enjoy, and happy birthday!
Hi, Nanak. Ano mas delinquent ninong na yata, no? Ako yata may pinakamalaking pagkakautang sa'yo. I wish you all the best on your birthday. Very lucky ka to have a parents like your mom and dad, and ganun din sila sa'yo. Napakaswerte nila para sa'yo. Focus lang sa pag-aaral, and sana wag mawala yung closeness ninyong pamilya. Sa mom and dad mo, if you have any problem, lapit ka lagi sa kanila. Yan kasi nagiging problema kapag yung mga bata, tumatanda na, wala na yung closeness sila sa kanilang mga magulang. So, that's very important. Tandaan mo yan. Galing sa aming mga tanda. Mom and dad always knows the best. Okay, makakatulong yun sa decision making mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! More birthdays to come! We love you!
I miss you.
Happy birthday, Iya. Namimiss ko ng aking alaga. Sana lagi ka malusog, masaya. Kasi yung bata ka, alam ko, lagi ka masaya. Napakabait mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Restart.
It's okay. Happy birthday, Juju. Baby Juliana. How you gonna be 18 years old? I miss you, baby. I know you since you were like that small, but round.
I wasn't born.
So what you will tell her now?
Happy birthday,
What?
Juliana.
Tita. She's a tita for you. Tita Juliana.
Want me to restart, please?
No, it's okay. Happy birthday, Tita Juliana. We love you so much, baby. Mwah. Dilara, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Juliana. I just want to wish you a very, very happy birthday on your special day. And, yeah, it's really crazy to think that we've been friends for like 6-7 years. Yeah, and within those years we still strive to be the best of friends that we were before I left. And yeah, when we talk, I really don't even see you as a friend anymore, and more like as a sister, because it's like we're so close that we have that connection. And yeah, you're like the sister that I never had, and I really appreciate that about you, because you were always there for me. Even till now, you are still there for me. You always support me. You always give me advice when I need them. Even though I make some questionable decisions, you still help me and yeah, give me advice to those. I'll always remember our moments, and I'll always remember and cherish our moments together, whether it was when we were at school or when we're on call, serious talks, or just laughing until we form abs or until we couldn't breathe. Those big and small moments already mean so much to me, and I couldn't think of a life without you in it. But yeah, and I really hope we're gonna see each other again soon, maybe 2 years, Yune and I, maybe celebrating my 18th birthday. But I really hope that we see each other again soon, and you know, we create new moments together with Nay and stuff. Yeah, I really look forward to meeting you again, and I just want to wish you a happy birthday again on your big day, and please do enjoy it, because you deserve it. Love you.
Hi, happy birthday! It's been so long since we've last seen each other na, and the last time we hung out talaga, I had so much fun catching up with you. I hope we can see each other again, and hopefully the next time we see each other, we get to hang out for longer and we get to go to more places, because when we last met up, the spots are very limited. But yes, love you, Iya. Always take care. I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday! Miss you!
Hi, Iya. Happy legality. Thank you for being my best friend, cousin, and sister to another womb. I wish you nothing but the best. May your path and legality be filled with eternal joy, peace, blessings, and good fortune. I will always be here with you no matter how far we are from each other and no matter how old we are. Again, happy birthday, Iya. I miss you so much. I love you.